Hi, ladies. I'm Dr. Laura Cantor. I'm taking over for Professor Tucker in your HSV 2000 class, and I just wanted to touch base with you for a few minutes and remind you that I need your week 4 papers. They were actually due last Wednesday, but I gave you an extra day due to the transition to online to complete those papers, and I still don't have any of those yet. So it's urgent that you get those to me so I can give you feedback for your week 5 paper. I'm also giving you an extra day for week 5. Your due date was Wednesday of this week, and I'm giving you until October 24th, which is Thursday, to get your papers in. We are following the late policy as much as possible. I am giving you the 1 day grace on the due dates. I just feel that that's fair, considering the circumstance of changing from on-site to online modality, as well as changing instructors. Again, I want you to call me Laura. I try to be very student friendly, at the same time upholding academic integrity. So I want to talk just a minute about the week 5 content. We're going to be talking about the prenatal environment. Sometimes we overlook how important what goes on in the womb actually is, and how that impacts the entire life journey, including human behavior, impulse control, intelligence, and some of those things that could be damaged during the formation of a fetus and a growing child, depending on what type of teratogens and the mother's stress and many different factors that come into play, including genetics, and how that creates a human being that comes with kind of a blueprint for life. It doesn't mean that the environment and the nurture component can't be a big factor in determining somebody's behavior and the impact on their life journey. But the prenatal environment is very important. So I'm hoping that you'll think about this from a personal viewpoint, real life situations and scenarios that you know about, maybe even how your prenatal environment has impacted you as a person. We're also going to talk about systems theory this week, and we're talking and looking at mainly at Bronfenbrenner's model. And he starts with the micro level. The micro level is, our family of origin, the people that we interact with probably on a daily basis that we know the best and how they impact us. And that moves all the way out to like a macro or chronal system, where society at large also impacts us. And sometimes those influences are a lot more insidious. They kind of hack away at us, society does, and culture, kind of embedding certain things in our mind and our assumptions and viewpoints that we may not even realize. We probably realize more how our family impacts us than we do society and culture at large. So I want you to think about each system and how you've been impacted by that. You're going to do a systems paper this week. And I want to have a few reminders about writing papers. First of all, you need to use the APA template. And this template is located in your course shell. It helps you format everything, so you're not getting unnecessary deductions for APA errors. I also want you to paraphrase information. So what you're reading, you need to read it, and then you need to put that into your own words. You will also need in-text citation for that, because you are getting the information from another source, but you're reflecting on that and synthesizing it into your own words and what it means to you. But you still do need in-text citation, which is in parentheses an author's last name and publication year. Please don't overuse direct quotes. When you're using direct quotes and relying on them to write your paper, basically, I don't know what you understand about the content. I just know that you can take somebody else's words and then put it in your paper and try to make it fit. It may or may not even answer the writing prompt. And we're wanting you to answer the writing prompt because this is the information we're wanting to know that you understand. So anyway, using the APA template, limiting or just avoiding direct quotes. If you're tempted to use them too much, I would just avoid them altogether. Paraphrase into your own words and use in-text citation. Of course, you still need to cite on the reference page as well. And the APA template gives you some examples of, like an article or a textbook, how to cite that on the reference page. Anyway, I'm giving you an extra day, so you have until Thursday of this week, October 24th, to submit your week 5 work. You had an extra day last week. I still need the week 4 papers. I'm really hoping I can get those by today. This is Monday, October 21st. It would be very helpful for you to see the feedback that I give you on the week 4 paper to complete the week 5 paper and do a good job on it. I'm trying to provide some extra grace. I know it's been a difficult course, and I want to see you end well and on a positive note. Thank you, and God bless.